In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a receipt or bill and record it as an expense in Zoho Books. Now let's dive right in and start by heading to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to focus on the purchases section. Click on it and from there choose expenses. This is where all your recorded expenses will be managed, making it easy for you to keep track of where your money is going. Next, click on record expense. You'll now find yourself in the record expense window, where several fields appear that need your attention. Begin with filling in the date of your expense. Click on the date field and adjust it to reflect the date when this transaction actually took place. This is crucial as it ensures your records are precise, linking the expense directly back to its original occurrence. Following this, you'll be prompted to select the appropriate expense account. Categorizing your expense here helps maintain tidy accounting records, easing future audits, and aiding in analytical tasks. Now let's move on to entering the amount of the expense in the designated field. This corresponds to the total amount indicated on the receipt you are recording. Precise entry of this figure is vital for sustaining accurate financial records. After this, you'll want to specify how this expense was paid through, whether it be a bank account, cash, or another payment method used. Accurately selecting this option supports the tracking of your cash flow and provides insight into your financial movements. Next, identify the vendor associated with this expense. Entering the vendor's name is important for tracking your transactions back to them if necessary, facilitating effective vendor management and potential negotiations for future dealings. After specifying the vendor, you'll encounter a spot for reference /. This can be anything from an invoice number to a receipt number, essentially any reference that serves as an archive for future use and assists in reconciliation tasks. Don't overlook the notes section. Here you can include extra information that might prove useful later, including specific details or conditions regarding the expense. This section acts as a helpful utility for adding context, particularly during assessments or reviews. Additionally, there's a field for the customer name. This is especially useful if the expense is client related, allowing you to tie the expense to a specific project or customer account and streamline the cost to client tracking. Once you've completed all the fields, go ahead and save your work. This action secures all your entries within the system, providing reassurance that your data is correctly documented. If, however, you've made changes you're unhappy with or inadvertently started a new entry, you can always opt to leave and discard those changes to begin anew. You'll notice additional options like sales and import expenses, which we aren't covering today. However, these offer robust tools for advanced financial reporting and bulk expense uploading, useful for more seasoned users of Zoho Books ready to explore further functionalities as they grow more comfortable. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to upload a receipt or bill and record it as an expense in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you've efficiently managed your expenses, contributing to accurate bookkeeping and financial analysis. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your accounting process in Zoho Books.